I'm going to sing Marry Me by Train, and I just want to state that I probably cannot do the high parts because I just don't really do that. Hold on. Texturing. So, I'm just going to wing it. So, here we go. Hello Kitty! Ah, I love it! Here we go. Ready, Corbin? Forever can never be long enough for me. I feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we want nothing to see. There's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way. Marry me today and every day, yeah. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will. Together can never be close enough for me. Feel like I'm close enough to you. You will run nowhere afterwards. I love you, and you're beautiful. Now that the wait is over, and love has finally shown him my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will. Promise me you'll always be here, happy by my side. I promise to sing to you when all the music dies. Day and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will. Marry me. Thanks, hope you liked it.